If you fancy picturing yourself in a sitcom, Aster House in Belfast is tailor-made. Offering ensuite and studio apartments, each room boasts a cozy bed, a dedicated study area, and ample storage space. To maintain your work-life balance, the property offers free 24/7 coffee, on-site maintenance, and a karaoke room, where you can unleash your inner Gaga. No need to rush to classes at elite universities like Queen's University Belfast and the Irish School of Ecumenics. They're just a stroll away. So indulge in your beauty, sleep, and radiate confidence. Surrounded by charming restaurants, cafes, and bars like caffeinated, Tzatziki, and Town Square, staying here means your life will be nothing short of happening. Concerned about travel expenses? Fear not, as the nearest bus stop, Upper Crescent, is within walking distance, making commuting an easy breeze. Your story awaits, and Aster House in Belfast is the canvas. Seize the opportunity and book your room now at amberstudent.com.